Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. In this video, I'll tell you the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives and how they can be used correctly in different sentences in English. At the end of this video, there is a small quiz, so please watch this video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and press the bell icon for future notifications. Now let's get started. First, let's understand the meaning of the word possessive in English grammar. Possessive is a word that shows who or what something belongs to. It shows the possession of something. This means that you own something, someone owns something, or something belongs to someone. So this is the meaning of the word possessive in English grammar. For example, this is my car. So in this sentence, this is my car. So my car. My is a possessive because it shows a possession. It shows that the car belongs to me. This is my car. I own this car. So my is a possessive in this sentence. That house is hers. So hers is a possessive because this shows that that house belongs to her. She owns that house. So that house is hers. This is their car. So their is a possessive in this sentence because it shows a possession. This is their car. This means that they own this car or this car belongs to them. So in these sentences, my, hers, their, these are all possessive because they show a possession. First, let's understand what are possessive adjectives. Now we all know what are adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, this is a red car. So in this sentence, red is an adjective because it modifies the noun or it gives extra information about the noun. This is a red car. Car is a noun and red is an adjective. Okay, so this way, adjectives are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, her, their, its. So these are all possessive adjectives. So possessive adjectives are the words that show a possession and at the same time they describe a noun. So they always come before a noun in a sentence. Now let's look at some examples. Her house is very big. So in this sentence, her is a possessive adjective because her house is very big. So her, this is a possessive because it shows a possession. It shows that the house belongs to her. So her house is very big and at the same time this is an adjective also because it comes before a noun and it modifies the noun that is house. House is a noun. We all know that noun is a person, place, animal, thing or an idea. Okay, so here house is a thing and this is a noun and her house. Her is a possessive and an adjective. That's why it's a possessive adjective and it comes before the noun that is house. Buddy is my dog. So in this sentence, my is again a possessive adjective because my dog, it shows a possession that the dog belongs to me. I own this dog. So my is a possessive and at the same time it is an adjective also because it is describing the noun that's dog. My dog. So my is a possessive adjective. I'll meet his mother. So his is a possessive, his mother, and his is describing the noun that's mother. So his is an adjective also. So it's a possessive adjective. What's your name? So again, your is a possessive and your name. So name is a noun. It's an abstract noun and your is describing or modifying the noun here. That's why your is a possessive adjective. So I hope you understood what are possessive adjectives. Possessive are the words that describe a possession, that you own something, and adjectives, we know they always modify a noun or a pronoun. So possessive adjectives, they always come before a noun because they describe the noun and they show the possession. That's why they are called possessive adjectives. Now let's understand what are possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are like mine, ours, yours, theirs, his, hers, its. So these are all possessive pronouns. Please keep one thing in mind, that in all these possessive pronouns, there is no apostrophe. Now we all know what is a pronoun. Pronoun is a word that comes in place of a noun. Okay, and that's why we do not have a noun after a pronoun, because it comes in place of the noun. Now possessive pronouns are the words that show the possession, that's why they are possessives, and they come in place of the noun, that's why they are pronouns. So possessive pronoun, they show a possession and come in place of the noun. Now let's look at some examples. This car is mine. So here mine is a possessive pronoun because it shows a possession. Okay, this car is mine. This means that I own this car, or this car belongs to me. This car is mine. And at the same time, it's a pronoun also because it comes in the place of a noun. So if you say, this is my car, this is also correct. This is my car, or this car is mine. So meaning is same. Both sentences have the same meaning. But the difference is that when you say this is my car, so my is a possessive adjective. And when you say this car is mine, so mine is a possessive pronoun because it comes in place of the noun. Like this is my car. So in place of my car, we have used mine. This car is mine. So my car is the noun and mine comes in place of the noun. That's why mine is a possessive pronoun. Now you cannot use a noun after mine. If you say this is mine car, that's grammatically incorrect because you cannot have a noun after a pronoun because a pronoun comes in place of a noun. So you cannot use a noun after mine. Mine car is incorrect. So you'll end the sentence here. This car is mine. This means this car belongs to me. This bag is yours. So this is your bag. Then your is a possessive adjective. This is your bag because your is modifying the noun, that's bag. And if you say this bag is yours, then yours is a possessive pronoun here because it shows the possession and it comes in place of the noun. So this bag is yours. Is that car hers or is that her car? So is that car hers? Again, hers is a possessive pronoun. Suzanne is a friend of mine. So this means that Suzanne is my friend. So here you are not using possessive adjective, you are using a possessive pronoun. So Suzanne is a friend of mine. He is a brother of mine. Now sometimes we also use the name of a person in place of a possessive adjective and a possessive pronoun. So in that case, you will always use the name with an apostrophe S. For example, if you say, he is Suzanne's brother. So Suzanne apostrophe S, Suzanne's brother. Okay, or he is the brother of Suzanne's. So in both the cases, whether it's a possessive pronoun or a possessive adjective, you will always use the name with an apostrophe S. Now the question is that if we always use an apostrophe S with the name, then how are you going to differentiate between both the names, whether it's a possessive pronoun or a possessive adjective? So that depends on the sentence. For example, if there is a noun after the name, then it has to be a possessive adjective. For example, he is Suzanne's brother. So Suzanne's brother, Suzanne's, this word is a possessive adjective because it modifies the noun brother. Brother is a noun. So he is Suzanne's brother. So Suzanne's is a possessive adjective. Now, in this sentence, he is a brother of Suzanne's. So here in this sentence, Suzanne's is a possessive pronoun because it comes in place of the noun. Okay, he is Suzanne's brother. So in place of Suzanne's brother, you have used Suzanne's. So it's a possessive pronoun. So that depends on the sentence. Once you will read the sentence, you'll understand whether it's an adjective or a pronoun. Sometimes you can have a possessive pronoun and a possessive adjective in the same sentence. For example, that little boy is my son and this one is hers. So that little boy is my son. So my is a possessive adjective because it describes the noun, my son, and it comes before the noun. Son is the noun. So that little boy is my son and this one is hers. So this one is hers. So hers is a possessive pronoun because it comes in place of the noun. So possessive pronoun. So possessive adjective and pronoun both in the same sentence. My ice cream is not as good as yours. So my ice cream. My is a possessive adjective. My ice cream is not as good as yours. So yours is a possessive pronoun. So this way, sometimes we can have both possessive pronoun as well as adjective in the same sentence. Please keep one thing in mind, that when you have a name, then you will always use an apostrophe S. For example, my ice cream is not as good as Lisha's or Tia's. So with name, you will use an apostrophe S. Otherwise, in possessive pronouns, there will be no apostrophe. Now let's have a quiz. I'll give you some sentences and what you have to do is, you have to guess that whether the sentence has a possessive pronoun or an adjective, or if a sentence has both. Now let's do it. Max, is that your house? So this sentence has a possessive adjective, your house. So your is a possessive adjective because it comes before the noun house. So your is a possessive adjective. Did you find Jenny's dog? Now in this sentence, Jenny's is again a possessive adjective because Jenny's dog, it describes the dog, that's a noun, and it comes before a noun. So it is a possessive adjective. I didn't have my bike, so he gave me his. In this sentence, we have both. I didn't have my bike. So my is a possessive adjective. So he gave me his, and his is a possessive pronoun. Your brother is as smart as mine. Again, we have both. Your brother. So your is a possessive adjective and your brother is as good as mine. So mine is a possessive pronoun. I don't have a car. Can I borrow yours? In this sentence, we have a possessive pronoun. I don't have a car. Can I borrow yours? So yours is a possessive pronoun. This isn't their work. So their is a possessive adjective because it comes before the noun, that is work. So this isn't their work. So their is a possessive adjective. Your house is good, but I like theirs. Again, we have both in this sentence. Your house. So your is a possessive adjective. Your house is good, but I like theirs. So theirs is a possessive pronoun. So that's all for today. I hope you understood the concept of possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. And now you can easily differentiate between these two. Please revise, practice as much as you can, and please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.